In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a triangle in Adobe Photoshop. This is one of the simplest shapes you can create in Photoshop, but if you're new to the software, it can actually be a little confusing to find the right tool and settings. The good news is that Photoshop has a built-in shape tool that lets you create a perfect triangle in just a few seconds. Whether you're designing graphics, creating thumbnails, building logos, or working on social media designs, knowing how to quickly create basic shapes like triangles can save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Adobe Photoshop and make sure you have a document open or create a new canvas. To create a triangle, we'll be using a shape tool called the Polygon Tool. Look over at the toolbar on the left side of Photoshop and find the Shape Tools group. If you see the rectangle tool there, click and hold on it to reveal the hidden shape tools. From the list that appears, select the Polygon tool. You can also quickly access shape tools by pressing the letter U on your keyboard, which activates the Shape Tool group. Once the Polygon tool is selected, you're ready to configure the settings that will allow Photoshop to create a triangle instead of another polygon shape. Next, move to the top options bar in Photoshop. This is where you control how the Polygon tool behaves. You'll see an option labeled Sides. By default, Photoshop might set this to a higher number, like 5 or 6, which creates shapes like pentagons or hexagons. Since we want to create a triangle, simply change the sides value to 3. Setting the sides to 3 tells Photoshop that the polygon should only have 3 edges, which automatically forms a triangle. While you're in the options bar, you can also choose a fill color for your triangle and optionally add a stroke if you want an outline around the shape. Now, for the final step, move your cursor onto the canvas, then click and drag anywhere on the screen. As you drag, Photoshop will automatically generate a triangle shape. When you release your mouse button, Photoshop creates the triangle as a shape layer in your Layers panel. Because it's a shape layer, you can easily resize it, change its color, rotate it, or apply effects without losing quality. If you hold the Shift key while dragging, you can also constrain the proportions to keep the triangle perfectly aligned. A quick tip is that you can always adjust the triangle later using the Move tool or the Properties panel. Since it's a vector shape, it stays sharp and editable even after scaling. And that's it. That's just the fastest and easiest way to make a triangle in Adobe Photoshop using the Polygon tool. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.